Hello, I am doing a new set. It's going to be a quick and pretty simple set, but still, of course, really cute. I have already applied all my tips and done my prep. I did a thin layer of clear acrylic on every nail, and I am starting off with this pink acrylic. It's called Orchid. I'm applying that to the thumb, the middle finger, and the pinky nail. Moving on to the index finger, I have this Pastel Leaf Glitter, and it has a bunch of different colors in there. It has pinks and blues, and a leaf you'll think is pink, and then you look at it again and it's blue, and vice versa. It has some silverish, I think it's silver, maybe it's like a bluish silver. It's holographic. There's also a pink metallic leaf in there. Just a bunch of different colors, and I was struggling trying to figure out what colors acrylic to use with this because there's so many different colors, but it seemed like no matter what I could see pink even when I couldn't see the blue, so I decided to just go with pink on the other nails to go with this. But I'm covering the whole nail with this, then capping it with clear acrylic. Going over to the ring finger, and I'm doing the same thing. First, I'm putting down a really wet bead of clear acrylic so the glitter has something to stick to, and then I'm just going to spread that leaf glitter all along that nail and then cap it in clear. Now I gotta go in and do my filing and shaping. And I just got a new drill. My old drill died and I just got this drill. And I was using it on my other hand and I cut my cuticles all up on the other hand. That is liquid bandage all on my cuticle area on my other hand around the nails. Every nail I have it on there because I was using it and I just couldn't control it. It was sliding all around and I cut up each and every one of my cuticles. And then I was thinking, what is wrong with this thing? I thought maybe it was just cheap garbage or something. And then I realized that it was spinning in the opposite direction that I usually use. So it took me cutting up 5 of my fingers before I realized that. So that's why you see liquid bandage all on my other fingers. I'm applying some no wipe top coat to the thumb and the pinky nail. And after I cure those nails in the lamp, I have this rose gold chrome powder and I'm just gonna rub that into those 2 nails and then just go through and top coat all the nails. Alright, that is the finished set. You can really see all the different colors in the leaf glitter. It's so pretty. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.